Plumbing jobs can look simple from the outside, but anyone who has worked under a sink, cut old pipe, or removed a stuck fitting knows how quickly things can get frustrating. The right tool can make the difference between a messy repair and a clean, controlled job. Today, we're looking at 20 genius plumbing tools that can help plumbers, homeowners, DIY users, remodelers, and Amazon shoppers handle common plumbing problems with more confidence. Let's get into the list. Starting at number 20, we have the KNIPEX TubiX Pipe Cutter, a compact pipe cutter built for clean cuts and quick setup. Instead of slowly adjusting the tool by trial and error, the quick lock system lets you move the cutting wheel into position with one hand. It works on copper, brass, and high-grade steel pipe from 1/4 inch to 1/3/8 inches. The cutting wheel and guide rollers run on high-quality needle bearings, so the movement feels smooth while cutting. There is also a spare cutting wheel stored inside the handle, which is a smart touch for job site use. For plumbers and serious DIY users, this is a small tool that can make pipe cutting feel much more controlled. At number 19, the RIDGID Easy Change Plumbing Wrench is all about making under-sink work less painful. Faucet nuts, supply lines, shut-off valves, and basket strainers are often placed where regular tools barely fit. This tool gives you multiple working options in one compact setup. The 6-sided cubed insert fits several common nut sizes, while the cylindrical insert helps with single-hole mountings and strainer baskets. The open slot in the handle clears supply lines, and the notched end works with common basin mounting nuts. If you install or remove faucets, this is the kind of tool that can save time, effort, and a lot of awkward hand positioning. Number 18 is the KNIPEX Cobra XS, a tiny 4-inch pair of water pump pliers that can still handle real gripping work. Its biggest advantage is the size. You can keep it in a pocket, tool pouch, or small repair kit, and it is especially useful in tight spaces where a larger plier feels clumsy. It offers one-hand quick adjustment, 11 adjustment positions, and a gripping capacity up to 1 inch. The slim head helps reach small fittings, while the hardened teeth give a firm bite. This is a great backup tool for plumbers, electricians, mechanics, and homeowners who want something compact but reliable. At number 17, the iCrimp IWS1807CN gives you a complete PXB crimping setup in one carrying case. It is built for 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch copper crimp rings and includes angle head crimpers, a go/no-go gauge, a copper ring removal tool, and a PEX tubing cutter. The angle head design helps when you are working in tighter areas, while the gauge lets you check whether the crimp is within the proper range. The ring removal tool is also useful because it can remove copper crimp rings from fittings, allowing some fittings to be reused. For PEX installation or remodeling, this kit covers the main jobs without needing to buy every tool separately. Number 16 is a PVC Pipe Reamer Kit made for saving old fittings instead of replacing everything. When a broken or cut piece of PVC is still stuck inside a fitting, valve, or flange, this tool helps clean out the leftover pipe material so a new pipe can be installed. The kit includes 1/2 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, and 4 inch reamers, along with a carbide insert and accessories. It works with standard drills, cordless drills, and impact drills using a steel hex shaft. The carbide insert has 4 cutting surfaces, so it can be rotated when one edge gets dull. For repair work on PVC, PP, PE, or ABS pipe, this can save both time and replacement cost. At number 15, the GRENPRO 11-inch basin wrench is made for one of the most common sink problems, reaching nuts that are hidden behind the basin. Its spring-loaded jaws adjust from 3/8 inch to 1/4 inches, making it useful for faucet nuts, water supply lines, valves, and drain fittings. The 180-degree swivel head helps the wrench stay useful even when the angle is awkward. A sliding T-handle gives you better leverage, which is important important when old nuts are tight or lightly rusted. It is not a flashy tool, but when you are working under a sink with very little room, a basin wrench like this can make the job much easier. Number 14 is an 18V Brushless Pro Press style crimping tool for copper pipe. This tool is built for plumbers, HVAC work, and construction jobs where fast copper connections matter. Instead of soldering, it uses hydraulic force to press compatible copper fittings onto the pipe. The kit includes press jaws for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch fittings, plus batteries, a fast charger, and a carrying case. The brushless motor helps deliver consistent force, while the compact body and non-slip grip make it easier to handle in confined spaces. For anyone working with copper press fittings, this can reduce setup time and avoid open flame work. At number 13, the iCrimp CRQ01 Disconnect Tong is a simple tool with a very specific job, removing brass push to connect fittings. It includes 3 sizes in one tool: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch. Push-fit fittings can be difficult to release by hand, especially when they are behind a cabinet or close to a wall. This tong presses the release collar more evenly and gives your hand better leverage. The compact design and wide grip handles make one-handed operation possible in many situations. For repairs, fixture changes, or reworking a line, this tool can help remove fittings more cleanly with less struggle. Number 12 is the HAUTMEC Pro Automatic Copper Tube Cutter, built for close quarter cuts where a full-size cutter is hard to spin. It works on 1/2 inch nominal pipe, which is 5/8 inch outer diameter, and is suitable for copper, aluminum, brass tube, and thin wall conduit. It is not meant for stainless steel, so it is best used within its proper range. The compact shape makes it handy behind walls, under sinks, and near tight plumbing runs. It also uses a zinc alloy body, chrome rollers, and a spring-loaded cutting blade to keep cuts smooth. For small copper jobs, this is a clean and beginner-friendly option. At number 11, the iCrimp IWS1632AF is a manual press tool for copper press fittings. It includes jaws for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch fittings, and is compatible with several copper press fitting systems. Because it is manual, there are no batteries to charge, which can be a benefit for users who want a straightforward press tool. The 360-degree rotating head helps with positioning, and the extendable handles provide extra leverage during pressing. It is heavier and not ideal for very tight corners, but for open access copper pipe work. It creates press connections without brazing, soldering, or flaring. Number 10 is the Klein Tools D50410B Quick Adjust Pump Pliers, a strong everyday tool for gripping, turning, and holding. The quick ratchet and push button adjustment make it easy to change jaw position without wasting time. The jaw design gives multiple points of contact, which helps improve grip on pipe, fittings, and rounded surfaces. Its narrow shape is useful in smaller spaces, and the extended grips help with comfort during repeated use. The hardened teeth are built for positive grip and reduced wear. For plumbers, maintenance workers, and homeowners, this is one of those tools that can stay in regular rotation. At number 9, the OURU 2-in-1 Ratchet PEX crimping tool handles both cinching and removing stainless steel PEX clamps. It works with 3/8 inch to 1 inch PEX connections and uses a ratcheting mechanism to help create consistent clamp pressure. That matters because a proper clamp helps reduce the risk of leaks. The manganese steel body gives it strength, while the non-slip handle makes it easier to control. The ability to switch from crimping to removal adds extra value for repair work. For PEX installations, small plumbing updates, and DIY repairs, this is a practical tool to have nearby. Number 8 is the Smart Jerry Rubber Strap Wrench 2-pack, a useful choice when you need grip without scratches. This set includes 2 strap sizes. The larger wrench fits objects up to 6.1 inches in diameter, while the smaller one fits up to 4.2 inches. That gives you flexibility for shower heads, faucets, pipes, drain fittings, jars, and even oil filters. The rubber strap grips round or irregular shapes without damaging chrome, plastic, or finished surfaces. Built-in steel wires add strength, and the coated handle improves control. If you have ever scratched a fixture with metal teeth, this kind of strap wrench makes a lot of sense. At number 7, the magnetic pipe center finder tool is built for accurate pipe layout and alignment. The Y-shaped body fits pipes from 1/2 inches to 6 inches, and the built-in magnets let it attach to metal surfaces for hands-free use. That is helpful when you are marking, measuring, or lining up pipe by yourself. It also includes an adjustable dial bubble protractor for angle readings, plus a center punch and marking column for layout work. This is especially useful for pipe fitters, welders, and fabrication work, where accurate positioning matters before cutting or joining. Number 6 is a plumbing plug tool kit that helps stop water flow during certain repair jobs. The kit includes 3 sizes for 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch pipes, along with replacement gaskets, nuts, and EPDM seals. These plugs can help maintenance workers and DIY users control water in a line without draining everything in some situations. The build includes stainless steel, aluminum, and EPDM rubber for durability and sealing performance. For kitchens, bathrooms, outdoor lines, and general plumbing repair, this kit can make small maintenance jobs cleaner and more manageable. At number 5, the Meisterfactor 50-foot drain snake is made for clearing sink and drain blockages without depending on harsh chemicals. The long cable helps reach deeper clogs, and the drill attachment means you do not have to rely only on manual cranking. That can make the process faster and less tiring. It also comes with video instructions, which is helpful for DIY users who have never used a drain auger before. For slow sinks, clogged drains, and basic drain maintenance, this is a practical tool to keep at home before the problem turns into a bigger repair. At number 4, Plumbing Tools Angle Stop Wrench Kit. Number 4 is a 3-piece angle stop wrench kit for shutoff valve work and tight space repairs. The kit includes a 2-in-1 angle stop wrench, a threaded drive socket, and a 4-way Silkic key. It fits 3/8 inch and 1/2 inch angle stop outlets, making it useful for kitchen supply lines, bathroom angle stops, and laundry valves. The fixed jaw design helps grip compression nuts securely, while the Silkic key can open outdoor spigots, HVAC panels, and utility access points. For replacing angle stops or working around tight cabinet plumbing, this kit gives you several useful tools in one package. At number 3, the pipe nipple extractor set is made for removing broken, rusted, or stuck pipe threads. This is the kind of tool you want when a pipe nipple breaks off inside a fitting, wall connection, shower pipe, or bathtub spout connection. Instead of damaging the surrounding fitting, the extractor grips from the inside. The reverse groove design helps bite into the pipe, so it is less likely to slip during removal. It works with 1/2 inch to 1 inch pipe capacity and can be used with a ratchet wrench, multi-function wrench, or hand wrench. For repair work, this tool can save a lot of frustration. Number 2 is the Liberton Pipe Cutter, a versatile tubing cutter for multiple pipe sizes. It cuts from 3/16 inch to 2 inches outer diameter and works on copper pipe, aluminum pipe, and thin stainless steel tube. The SKD grade blade is built for wear resistance, and the bearing-supported roller helps the cutter rotate smoothly for cleaner results. A deburring tool is also included, which is useful for cleaning the inside edge after cutting. That small detail matters because rough pipe edges can affect fitment and flow. For general plumbing, repair work, and workshop use, this is a solid all-around cutter. At number 1, we have the 6-piece plumbing tools kit with angle stop wrench and 1/2 inch compression sleeve puller. This kit is especially useful for replacing compression angle stops and removing old compression rings. It includes an angle stop wrench, compression sleeve puller, sandpaper, a storage bag, and instructions, so the main pieces are already together. The 2-in-1 Plumber's wrench fits 15/16-inch and 5/8-inch nuts, and the threaded ends work with 3/8-inch or 1/2-inch MPT compression outlet threads. The compression sleeve puller is designed to remove 1/2-inch copper compression sleeves without damaging the wall or pipe for frozen, corroded, or leaky angle stops. This kit is a strong choice for both professionals and confident DIY users.